Welcome to Porto, Portugal's enchanting coastal gem nestled along the banks of the Douro River. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes, Porto offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. As you wander through its cobbled streets, you'll be transported back in time, exploring centuries-old architecture, charming neighborhoods, and hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. From the iconic Dom Lois I bridge spanning the river to the picturesque Ribeira District, Porto captivates visitors with its timeless beauty and warm hospitality. Indulge in the city's culinary delights, from delectable pastéis de nata to savory francesinha sandwiches, and savor the flavors of Portuguese cuisine. Join us on a journey through Porto's top 10 must-visit destinations, where each site tells a story of its own, inviting you to immerse yourself in the magic of this captivating city. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of Porto together. But before we start with the top 10, it would be so nice of you to subscribe to the channel, so we will be able to create more videos. 10. The Ribeira District is the historic heart of Porto, renowned for its picturesque riverside setting and colorful, narrow streets lined with charming old buildings. This vibrant neighborhood exudes a lively atmosphere, with bustling cafes, restaurants serving authentic Portuguese cuisine, and artisan shops selling local crafts. Visitors can stroll along the waterfront promenade, enjoy stunning views of the Douro River, and admire the iconic Rabello boats that once transported barrels of port wine. With its romantic ambience and rich cultural heritage, the Ribeira District is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the captivating city of Porto. 9. The Dom Lois I bridge, an iconic symbol of Porto, spans the Douro River, connecting the bustling city centre with the picturesque Vila Nova de Gaia. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, the renowned French engineer, this double-deck metal arch bridge is a marvel of 19th-century engineering. Visitors can stroll across the upper deck, offering panoramic views of Porto's historic skyline and the river below, or venture below to explore the bustling riverside promenade. Whether admired from afar or experienced up close, the Dom Lois I bridge is a testament to Porto's architectural beauty and cultural significance. 8. Livraria Lello, often referred to as Lello Bookstore, is a bibliophile's paradise located in Porto's historic centre. This iconic bookstore, with its stunning neo-Gothic facade and intricate interior design, is a must-visit for book lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike. Dating back to 1906, Livraria Lello is renowned for its grand staircase, intricate wooden carvings, and stained glass windows, creating an atmosphere that feels straight out of a fairy tale. It's no wonder that Livraria Lello has inspired famous authors such as J.K. Rowling, who reportedly found inspiration for Hogwarts while living in Porto. 7. São Bento railway station is not only a transportation hub but also an architectural marvel in Porto. Adorned with stunning azulejo, Portuguese ceramic tile, panels, the station's interior tells stories of Portugal's history and culture. Visitors are mesmerized by the intricate tilework, depicting scenes from Portuguese life and history, making São Bento railway station a must-visit destination for both travelers and architecture enthusiasts alike. 6. The Clerigos Tower is an iconic landmark of Porto, rising majestically over the city skyline. Designed by the renowned architect Niccolo Nasoni in the 18th century, this Baroque bell tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of Porto from its top. Visitors can climb the narrow spiral staircase to reach the observation deck, where they are rewarded with sweeping vistas of the historic centre, the Douro River, and beyond. The Clerigos Tower stands as a symbol of Porto's architectural beauty and rich heritage, attracting tourists and locals alike. 5. Palacio da Bolsa, or the Stock Exchange Palace, is a grand neoclassical building located in the heart of Porto. Built in the 19th century, it is renowned for its exquisite interiors, including the opulent Arabian Hall, adorned with intricate Moorish details. The palace served as the headquarters of the Porto Commercial Association, and continues to host important events and exhibitions. Visitors can explore its lavish rooms, marvel at the stunning architecture, and learn about Porto's economic history within its walls. 4. Nestled along the banks of the Douro River, the Porto wine cellars offer a fascinating glimpse into the city's rich winemaking heritage. Explore historic cellars where Porto's famous port wine is aged to perfection. Learning about the intricate process behind this beloved beverage. Sample a variety of port wines, from rich and robust to sweet and fortified. And gain insight into the traditions that have shaped Porto's viticulture for centuries. It's an immersive experience that's sure to delight wine enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. 3. Ponte do Infante, or the Prince's Bridge, is a majestic structure spanning the Douro River, connecting Porto with Vila Nova de Gaia. While not as widely recognized as the Dom Lois I Bridge, Ponte do Infante boasts its own unique charm and architectural beauty. Completed in 2003, this modern cable-stayed bridge offers panoramic views of Porto's historic Ribeira District and the bustling activity along the riverfront. Its elegant design and strategic location make it a picturesque spot for both locals and visitors to admire Porto's enchanting skyline and waterfront scenery. 2. The Porto City Hall, located in the historic Praça da Liberdade, is a grand neoclassical building that commands attention with its impressive facade and majestic presence. Serving as the seat of Porto's municipal government, it embodies the city's rich heritage and civic pride. Designed by architect Antonio Correia da Silva, the City Hall's architectural elegance reflects Porto's enduring commitment to tradition and progress. Visitors can admire its ornate detailing, monumental columns, and intricate sculptures while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of one of Porto's most iconic landmarks. 1. This historic market is a bustling hub of activity, where locals and visitors alike come to experience the vibrant sights, sounds, and smells of Porto's culinary scene. Dating back to the 19th century, Mercado de Bolhao offers a sensory feast with its colorful array of fresh produce, seafood, meats, cheeses, and traditional Portuguese delicacies. Wander through its bustling aisles, interact with friendly vendors, and immerse yourself in the authentic atmosphere of one of Porto's oldest and most beloved markets. It's a must-visit destination for food enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. We hope you enjoyed the top 10 places to visit in Porto. But before we end this video, we have 7 fun facts about Porto. 1. The local accent. Porto is known for its distinctive accent and vocabulary, which can sometimes be challenging for non-locals to understand. Locals affectionately refer to their accent as tripeiro, which means tripe eater, reflecting the city's culinary heritage. 2. The legend of the Barcelos rooster. While the Barcelos rooster is a symbol of Portugal, it's also deeply ingrained in Porto's culture. Legend has it that a dead rooster miraculously saved an innocent man from execution. And since then, the Barcelos rooster has become a symbol of good luck and prosperity. 3. The Bolhao market's talking fish. Visitors to Mercado de Bolhao may notice something peculiar. Some fish vendors are known for their lively sales pitches, where they talk to their fish, entertaining customers with humorous anecdotes and banter. 4. The Harry Potter connection. Livraria Lello, one of Porto's most famous bookstores, is rumored to have inspired J.K. Rowling's vision of Hogwarts' magical library in the Harry Potter series. As a result, the store has become a pilgrimage site for Potter fans, adding a touch of wizardry to Porto's literary scene. 5. The bridges of Porto. Porto is famously known for its stunning bridges spanning the Douro River. But did you know that the Dom Lois I Bridge was designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel, the creator of the Eiffel Tower? It's a fun connection between two iconic landmarks. 6. Porto's football rivalry. Football is a passion in Porto, with fierce rivalries between the city's two main teams, FC Porto and Boavista FC. The matches between these teams, known as the O Clásico Portuense, are always intense and draw enthusiastic crowds. 7. The São João Festival. Porto hosts one of Europe's liveliest street parties during the São João Festival, celebrated every year on June 23rd Road. It's a night of festivities, where people take to the streets to enjoy music, dancing, fireworks, and the tradition of hitting each other on the head with plastic hammers. It's a unique and unforgettable experience for locals and visitors alike.